So we were making it out again today, meeting up with Amir with his Honda Rebel 1100 with the DTC. Don't know what we have planned for today, just making it out, enjoying this beautiful day that we have. At least there's not a sign that says no parking. So we are making our way up to Old Ellicott City, gonna try to take the back roads the entire time and see what we can get. That was such a treat. I've always wanted to take pictures of this bike under some power lines, and that was pretty much an ideal spot to me. this? This is gonna be super annoying. Literally just need to make a right on the very next street that we can see, and like Old Ellicott City is right there. So that's why I pulled right here to see if like we go down there, if we can get it cut across. Which, I mean, we can go look, but I don't see anything on the phone. I don't know, I feel like we're this close, we should make it. Just annoying. Running into Churchton to get some hydration because it has actually been hotter than we expected it to be. But overall, great ride. Back roads as much as possible. A little bit of detour being that close to Old Ellicott City, but we made it. Rode through there, didn't stay for too long, but got prime parking. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And yeah, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.